Research utility or impact. It would be best if determined in advance who are the stakeholders, the impact of the research, and what changes would you like to see if the research was successful. Regarding the impact, usually there are two types of research. First, research that may address a technical problem which has limited impact on a specific segment of researchers and professionals. Alternatively, there is another type of research that has a broader impact. That research is dealing with an applied problem affecting a large segment of stakeholders. They may be significantly affected by the results and recommendation of the research. Moreover, these problems sometimes become very complex, affecting a different number of academic disciplines. Each discipline approaches the problem from a different perspective. Research problems of this kind are critical. You have to approach the problem from your academic perspective. However, it is best to understand the nature of the problem and try to consider the research and viewpoint of other academic disciplines. Doctoral research primarily serves the standards set by the university, and secondly, the standards set by external stakeholders. It would be best to think about the impact and the impact pathways. Here we must clarify that the impact is the research result, while the pathways of impact are the organizational means through which the impact will be monitored. It is helpful to think about the research impact in terms of the research value and the strategic means through which the research will be promoted outside the university. Securing a good relationships with as many stakeholders as possible is the best strategy for creating a pathway of influence. It is best to raise the interest of influential stakeholders to adopt your recommendation. If you like this video, please click on like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.